Hello friends, do you know that the impact of lockdown during this quarantine and during this period of COVID-19 is not only on the human health, not only on the economy and the business, the more impact which is seen on the emotions, because the business you can recover, the health you can recover, the economy you can recover, but the thing which will take much more longer time is the emotional trauma which we all are going through. Especially in this period, if you see the quarantine period or if you see the lockdown period, what really does matter is the people, those who are really vulnerable and those who are already going through comorbid situations. Comorbid means those who are having already certain psychological issues or the problems. These are the people, those who are going to face a lot of problem and the trouble. So what happens? What is the impact of this lockdown? This is all I shared in my book, Emotional Lockdown. So my request to you, my book is available on Amazon. Please read the book and find out the winning strategies. I discussed about the winning strategies, that how you can find out the formula to come out from this phase which is called the emotional lockdown. So the lockdown, which is physical lockdown, the most important thing and the critical thing is the emotional lockdown. There I discussed in detail that what should be the strategy. Like a strategy I shared about the hibernation. What is hibernation? So you must be knowing about the hibernation, that many people are the animals, they especially go through the hibernation whenever they are under the water, whenever they are in the difficult climatic situation and the conditions. So what the hibernation is all about. Next is called the safety coating. So when it comes to COVID situation or the lockdown situation, what is the hibernation and the safety situations are there, safety precautions are there. And more than that, the kind of loop which is called, as per psychology principle, the habit loop. The change in the habit, the new normal, the new way of working, maybe if you are a professional, work from home. If you are not a professional, if you are a businessman, the changes in your business, you are sitting at your home and you may not be working and going to your workplace. So what are the changes are there? What are the new habits you have developed? It's very much difficult for the people, those who are vulnerable, to go back into the normal situation and work and start working as per the normal. That is the new normal. So my request to you, read this in my book that is called The Emotional Lockdown by Pankaj Sharma. And if you did not subscribe to my channel, I would request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell button so that you will going to get all the notifications of all my upcoming videos. So my request to you, go through the book, find out the strategies and what is the strategy which is mentioned there in the book, which will be very much helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best. Take care.